guys, this is Ronit from MathX, and today we're going to be doing number 20 from the 1st and 2nd grade Math Kangaroo of 2019. Now this problem, in my opinion, does not deserve the place of number 20, because when you get down to solving the problem, you'll see it's incredibly easy to solve. But putting that aside, let's get started. Together, the three squirrels, Annie, Asia, and Ellie, have 10 nuts. Each one has a different number of nuts, but at least 2 nuts. Annie has the least number of nuts, and Asia has the most nuts. How many nuts does Ellie have? And the answer for the problem is 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, so to start this problem, we have to reread. Each one has a different number of nuts, but at least 2 nuts. Annie has the least number of nuts, and Asia has the most. Okay, with that in mind, we may just be able to quickly assume that Annie has 2 nuts. Now, we don't need to assume that, because later in the problem, you'll be able to see that Annie always will have to equal 2 nuts to solve this problem. We just cleared that out easily. Okay, so with Annie now having 2, we have 8 nuts left. And that 8 is split apart the 2 squirrels of Asia and Ellie. Now that 2 could be split apart in many ways. It could be, for example, 1 and 7. Maybe 2 and 6. Or 4 and 4. Or even 3 and 5. Okay, but we can cut these out pretty fast. So the 1 and 7 pair, we can clear that out, because of one of the squirrels has 1, that would be lesser than Annie. So then that wouldn't be possible. So we'll cut that out. Next, we have 2 and 6. So for 2 and 6, if one squirrel has 2, then that also wouldn't work, because then that would be equal to Annie, and Annie wouldn't have the least anymore. So you can cut that out. And for 4 and 4, again, if they have the equal amount, that wouldn't be allowed, since each one has to have a different number of nuts. So we'll cut that out. And finally, we can apply 3 and 5. Now, you could see that 3 and 5 must be the one since the last one. But if you want to double confirm, just look at it again. Each one has a different number of nuts by at least 2 nuts. Annie has the least, which keeps there, and Asia has the most. Now, for the Asia is the most, you might not be getting what I'm saying. But Asia is the most, that means Asia can have the most here. Asia, in this problem, can have the 5 nut, which leaves the 3. And that 3 can be applied to Ellie. So that means the answer to this problem is C, 3. And with that done, we can see how incredibly easy this problem is, and how no one had to have any worries for its number on the test. But putting that aside, we are now officially finished.